What is this? Why would you let that girl leave this palace? Why? Father, really, there's no point beating about the bush. That is the culprit. Let him tell us what he did to the girl in this palace.
I did not do anything to her.
Liar.
I did not.
You are lying. Now, stop it.
Do not call me a liar. Do not call me a liar.
What came you are a Can you figure, man?
You're going to find it hard.
Can you figure, man?
Can you figure, man? Quiet!
You're a liar. Okay. Both of you should not let me get mad at you. The only thing I ever asked you to help me do, none of you could do it. All you could do is to send the girl out of the palace. Why?
Your Majesty, please. I am sorry. We are sorry. Personally, I will make sure she comes back to this palace. Forgive us.
You all know my health condition. All you could do is to attempt to make it worse. I don't want to see any of you, until that girl returns to this palace.
Cause love is responsibility. Many will say I love you, and many will say I need you, but only what they want is what they stand to gain.
Go to where? Where do you want to take him to go and go and say your love?
Hey, woman, keep quiet.
Shut up! Shut up!
Oh, you go!
Chima, kill him! Let him! Chima, behead this idiot!
Don't you? Afam!
Cannot do anything! Cannot do anything!
Quiet again, I swear!
Cannot do anything! Not do anything!
Quiet! Why is this for trouble? I shall deal with you! I will deal with you! I'm telling you! I will deal with you!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.